Hi everyone, welcome to this another video on Market Talk YouTube channel. So today we are going to see how we can extract some data of astrology website and data into the Excel in a proper format. So this is one sample data, sample data means I want to show one website what you can get into Excel in a proper format. So this is the moon nakshatra transit details, day wise what is the transit happened. So you can see so much of data is there here. So this information you want to in a proper format. For example, you want to analyze Kritika Nakshatra when and all the transit happened. I want to do some analysis like this means it is very difficult. So what happens if you have the data in Excel, something like this, it becomes easy. Now we can sort by like this filter here and see filter by selected cells. Okay, Mula Nakshatra when and all the data of transit happened, I can see quickly like this. But when I want to see website here like this, it becomes difficult. So definitely there is an advantage of having data in Excel here. This is only for 1 year. Assume you have you want data for almost 2-3 years like this. It becomes difficult to do the analysis in the website because you cannot go to each and every date and see. Okay, so how we can pull the data into Excel? That's what we are going to see in today's webinar. Now, let us go to this thing, how to get to this website. First, we'll do here moon Nakshatra Transit 2022 Drik Panchang. Okay, we'll go to this website and then you get the first website link. Go there and you can see here, come down here, Chandra Nakshatra Gocha. Click this and go, and this way you'll be able to see the details here. So now once you got the details here, what we'll do here, we'll just go to click next year. You can see in the headings, if you see here, it is not showing any year actually. So what we'll do here, okay, first also mentioned here for Mumbai. This is for Mumbai we wanted here, so that we get the details for Mumbai. As such, there is no problem. You can take any location in India and then click next year 2020. You can see here the website link is showing 2023. You want to have variable so that in case you want to change the year, it becomes easy. Click previous year, will come to 2022 here, and now you can see 2022 is mentioned here. So this way the website link should come so that it's easy for us to access the any data for any year actually. So now what we'll do is this, copy this website link and we will go to Power BI. So I'm sure everybody have seen my video on Power BI already. So we'll open Power BI. So what we'll do is we'll just pull the data into the Power BI here. So we'll open the Power BI, open a blank report you want to open. Then just close this. Now what we'll do, get data from web. So it will ask for the website link. We'll paste the link here until OK. Now once you do this, you'll be able to I may be little fast, but to make the video small and then crisp, I'm just doing this. You can see the slow motion also, the speed, so that you can see the data, the video very slowly also. So what we'll do, once I click this website link I given here, it automatically sends us what data is available and what data you can use actually. So table 1 I'm seeing here, you can see proper data is coming here, everything structured properly. It is a preview only, you can see here, it is only preview. So we'll take the first table here until transform data. So once I tell transform data, now the data is ready for transformation. So data is available on something like this. So how the data I wanted, I can decide. Now let me just see here, this is the Nakshatra details. This is a column here, number 19 is coming. So this, what are irrelevant columns? I'll just delete this first. Yeah. So I'll select this column, delete this, and then AM, PM is mentioned here. Let me just see whether it's available. It's already the information available here. So duplication is there, delete this, and this column 1, 2, 3, 4 is not required also for me. Delete this. This is also not required. Delete this. So 2 columns are important for me. Now what we'll do here, in this the nakshatra, after this the serial number is coming here, the nakshatra numbers are coming. So that also I'm not interested actually. What I'll do here, select this and then till split column by positions. You can tell here okay, what I can do is I can remove the split column by digit to non-digit because these characters are there and these numbers are there. I'll tell digit to non-digit. So okay, that is not happening. Okay, let me try to is then here non-digit to digit. We'll do like this. So we are taking the digits separately and then we'll try to remove this also. So the data becomes clean. So there will be some spaces here actually. In this Moola, there is a space possible. So what we'll try to do is go to select this column, go to transform and then click format, trim. So the space also will be taken care. That I am removing it now. Now the data is there here, date, Saturday, everything is there, because the date is there. The Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we can do it ourselves. That's not a problem. So to make it, I want date and time separately. I want. So what I can do is select this, and then what I'll do here, split column by delimiter. So what I'll do here, I'll select the comma here, and then until here, each occurrence of the delimiter I can do. Okay, so what I can do here is rightmost. Okay, first I'll do rightmost delimiter. Here the comma, what is coming here, that's why the split I wanted here. So I'll tell rightmost delimiter, I want to split it till okay. Now I'm getting here this separately date, and then this separately I'm getting. So here the date is coming properly. So what I'll do, go to this, select this column, and then convert into date. So I got the date. Now I got nakshatra and date I got here, and then the time only I wanted here. So what I can do here, common, what is there, you have to understand here between this, all this data. The space is a common thing. So two spaces are there. So the first two spaces I want to remove it. So what I'll do first, there is some space in the starting also. First I'll do trimming this so that all the space will gone. And then second thing is that first space, whatever is there, I want to remove that. Go to select this column and go to split column by delimiter, and then what I'll do, the space leftmost is there, whatever is there, that one I will try to remove first. Step by step we'll do. So this one is there, which is not required. I can remove this and remove the column here, and then the next one I have to trim this and then remove the second column also. What I can do, at is common thing which I want to remove it. That also I can do. I can use the replacement option, replace values. I will tell at I want to fill with space till okay. Now I got the space. Now remove that at also. Now I want to trim this data here. So what I will do here, go to transform and then do some formatting, trim. So trim done. So now the data is perfect, is coming. Now I will tell here, this is the nakshatra, and then this is the date, and then this is the time. This is all starting time. Now I got the date, time, everything I got here, and then we'll tell this moon nakshatra transit, the name I given that to the query. And then here what I'll do here, file, close and apply. So once the data is done, the data is ready for transforming and converting into the format. Now it's showing evaluating. It'll tell connect to the data source. So creating connection model is done. Now loading data in the model, 361 rows is got. Now what we'll do here, take this format here, use this table here format, and then we'll pull the data into this. Now here we'll select the nakshatra, date, time. All three things we'll try to get. So now we got this nakshatra, date and time in the format, and then we'll try to export this. Now select this table and then right click on the top right corner, click here, export data. Then we'll save it to data.csv. There is a file, default it comes, just select this yes. Now what we'll do here, open a new data and file. What we'll do is file, open, let me just open the location, downloads, data.csv till open. So now here I wanted the proper formatting to be done here, and because it's everything coming in delimiter format. So delimiter format is a comma. Okay, let us tell comma. Okay, so that is not coming. Space is there. Okay, space is coming properly. Semicolon, no, this is not coming that way. What we'll do is fixed width. We'll go for fixed width. Then that is also not coming properly. And then we'll go for delimiter here. Delimiter means I think comma is what is looking coming properly. Time is there, and then the space. Comma is there. I think comma is the correct thing you have to select. Okay, now comma is the delimiter, what is coming properly. Then we'll tell next and then finish. Now we got the data in the proper format. Now here if you see here, the date is coming like this. Now select this, Control Shift 3. We got the date. Okay. Now here the time is coming here, 7:17 p.m. and then here the nakshatra is coming, and all the data we got here properly. And then you can, whatever format you wanted, you can do it. Now what we'll do here, select this and make it a table. So Control T, you'll make as a table. Now I'll make a slicer here. Insert slicer nakshatra. I want a slicer. Click OK. Now in nakshatra is there. I want to see only that nakshatra. Bharan nakshatra I want to see. I can see here. So this nakshatra all like so much of lengthy data is there. So in case I wanted to make it everything crisp, what I'll do here, right click here and then go to size and properties, and then here in the position layout I'll just tell here like this. Okay, so 3 columns I wanted. So what I'll do here in nakshatra, I know what is the date. Pushya nakshatra, what's the date of start timing. So everything is in the order only, so nothing to worry. Anuradha nakshatra, I can see Kritika nakshatra, I can see Hasta nakshatra. So everything, just if you see click of button, you are able to see this. Now this is only for 1 year data. So you have 5 years of data, you can see 5 years of data in just click of a button. So this way how you can do this. Now I want the data for now. Once the setup is done here like this, now the life becomes easy actually. Now I want the data for 2023. What you have to do is just go here, go to the edit query, and then go to the source, click the source here, and then what you do instead of 2022, just 2023 click here till OK. Now then file, close and apply. Now once you do this, automatically for the year 2023 we are going to pull the data. So now since the setup, what are you done here, the setup is stored there, and then that becomes easy for you to download for any number of years. Now we are doing for 2023, so it takes how much time? Hardly how much time. It does not take much time here. Now we got the data for 2023 also here. Now you can just pull the data into this, export data. So now already the file is open here. Now we can't overwrite that. So you can save this data and we can pull the data into this table. 2023 also we can get, and then the informations are ready for using for any number of years like this. So this is a small video I'm making. Maybe I'm a little fast, but in case you wanted to see this in the very slow motion, you can see the slow motion option in the YouTube, and that way you can definitely make use of this. Hope it is useful for you in your routine things, or whenever there is some data it's available in the website, you want to pull this into your Excel. That's can be useful thing. Thank you for seeing the video. Thank you. Bye.